Unlock the full potential of your email list by seamlessly connecting Mailerlite to your WordPress site. First things first, you'll need to install the official Mailerlite WordPress plugin. Hover over Plugins in your WordPress sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type Mailerlite and press Enter. You should see the official Mailerlite plugin appear. Click Install now. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. You'll now see a new Mailerlite item in your WordPress admin menu. Hover over it and click on Settings. This is where you'll enter your Mailerlite API key. To get this, open a new tab and log into your Mailerlite account. In your Mailerlite account, go to Account and then click on API. Here, you'll find your unique API key. Copy this API key. Be sure to keep it safe. Now, paste that API key into the API key field on your WordPress Mailerlite settings page and click Connect. Success! Your Mailerlite account is now connected to your WordPress website. You can now start embedding beautiful Mailerlite Signup forms on your pages and posts. This connection also allows Mailerlite to track user activity on your site, opening up powerful automation opportunities to engage your audience like never before. Get ready to supercharge your email marketing.